Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share an interview experience of Optum. So one of the guy who has been placed in Optum, I'm going to share an interview experience of that guy. So let's start this video without any further delay. So yeah, there are 3 rounds in it. The first round is online test, the second round is technical round, and the last round is HR round. So let's quickly move on to each and every round. So the first round is online test. So this round is very much important round. So online test is basically given by Optum on the platform like Metal. You have to give access to your webcam and microphone to the test so that they can continuously track you what you are doing. Again, there are 4 section based online tests. The first section is coding section, in which only one coding question will be asked by the Optum. It may be easy level or a medium level. The second section is quantitative aptitude section. From that section, there are 17 questions in it, and all the questions are between easy to medium level. The third section is reasoning section, both logical plus non-verbal plus verbal, and there are 8 questions in it. And the last section is core subject MCQs. The number of question is undefined, but there are limited questions based on core subject like DBMS, operating system, data structures. So yeah, let's move on to the round number 2. Before moving to the round number 2, I want to recall you, I have created many interview experience videos. So if you haven't watched any interview experience or some of the interview experience are missed by you, you can check out those videos. I have given the link of those videos in the description box of this video. And also another important talk is what? Subscribe to my channel, because subscriber is very much important. It totally motivates me to create that type of amazing videos on the regular basis. So yeah, let's move on to the round number 2. So round number 2 is technical round. The first part is what? Introduction part. So you have to introduce about yourself. What they are expecting from your side is your introduction on technical point of view, not some other irrelevant topics. So you have to introduce yourself, including some of your technical parts. So yeah, the second one is DSA questions. DSA question is very much important in this round. One of the questions we are asked is string matching problem. So you can check out the string matching problem in Google, and also you have to solve what the string matching problem is. You have given a string like A, B, C, D, E, A, C, B. Again, I can say CB. So this is a given string. You have to check whether BC is present in it or not. If BC is present, you have to return all the indexes of the BCs. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. BC is present at index number 1. Again, BC is present at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, index number 7. So what our answer is? Our answer is 1 and 7. So yeah, this is a string matching problem. The third one is basic question on OOPS and your preferred language. So they are going to ask some basic question from object-oriented programming and your preferred language. It may be Java or Python or C++. The last section is DBMS question. They were asking some of the good DBMS question, and some of the topics are normalization, SQL queries, joins. These 3 topics are very much important for the technical round, particularly for Optum. So yeah, let's move on to the round number 3. Round number 3 is what? HR round. So in HR round, what you have to tell, you have to introduce about yourself. First of all, the HR person are going to introduce himself. Then you have to introduce about yourself. Again, they're going to ask why you choose Optum and why should we hire you for the Optum. This type of question they're going to ask. Again, they are going to ask some behavioral skills related questions. You have to go through all the important behavioral questions for the interviews. Again, they can ask about your family background, because this is also a very important question. You have to tell about your family background without any type of lie. because truth is very much important. Again, the last one is about previous rounds. They can ask question about your previous rounds, what are the discussions in the previous rounds, and how you will tackle the previous round. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If this video is really helpful for you, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I am wrapping this video over here, and we will meet next time.